I will make breakfast now.
Take your time. I put the cups here.
Thank you, that helps. The food is warm.
It smells very nice.
Peter is still sleeping.
He looks very peaceful.
He is breathing slowly.
Let him rest a little more.
I will wake him gently.
Yes, slowly.
Good morning, Peter.
HMM, good morning.
Sit up slowly.
Okay, Mom.
Bathroom light is on.
Let's start the day. Wash your hands.
The water feels cold.
Wash carefully.
I am doing it slowly.
Brush your teeth.
Up and down.
Rinse your mouth.
All clean.
Dry your face.
My face feels fresh.
Breakfast is ready.
The table looks nice. Let's eat together.
Family time.
Eat slowly, Peter.
I like breakfast.
He eats so well.
Yes, he does. Put on your jacket soon.
Okay, Mom.
Let's go outside.
Ready? The street is quiet.
The sky is blue. Hold Dad's hand.
I am holding it. Flowers are pretty.
Yes, very pretty.
The car is here.
Let's get in. Open the door carefully.
I see.
Sit in the back seat.
I am sitting.
Click your seatbelt.
Click.
Everyone is ready.
Yes,
I start the car.
We're going.
the road is long.
And calm.
Trees are moving.
We are moving. What do you see?
Houses and trees.
The light is soft.
It feels nice. Traffic is slow.
That is good. We stop here.
The light is red.
Now it is green.
Go, Dad!
We go slowly.
Safe driving.
Big buildings.
We are in the city. The mall is open.
Let's go in.
So many lights.
Very bright.
Many people today.
But still calm. Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
We go up.
The stairs move.
Stand still.
I am standing.
Time for lunch.
Simple food. Eat slowly.
I am hungry.
Water is good.
Healthy choice.
I am full.
Good.
Let's walk.
Just looking.
So many windows.
Yes. Books look nice.
Very colorful.
Toys!
Only look.
This car is cool.
It is.
Put it back.
Okay.
Movie posters.
Which one? Tickets here.
I am excited.
Popcorn smells good.
Very good. Let's go inside.
It is dark.
The movie is starting.
I will sit quietly.
Hold your popcorn.
I got it.
The screen is bright.
Very clear.
The movie is over.
Did you like it?
Let's go out.
Okay.
The sky is orange.
Evening is here.
I feel tired.
Me too.
Lights are on.
Tea is night now. We are home.
Home is nice.
Put your shoes here.
Done.
The kitchen feels warm.
Very cozy.
I cut fruit.
I like fruit.
Milk for you.
Thank you.
Sit at the table.
Okay.
Snack time.
Just a little. Quiet moment.
Teasful.
My toy car.
Play softly.
Vocal humming.
Story time soon.
I am sleepy.
Good night, Peter.
Good night.
The house is quiet.
A perfect Sunday.